Anaya and the Festival of Lights. It was a sunny morning at Rainbow School. Miss Patel said, "Tomorrow we'll have our Diwali quiz. Let's remember everything with a story." All the children sat on the carpet. Miss Patel began, "Once there was a girl called Anaya. She was very excited. It was almost Diwali, the Festival of Lights." At home, Anaya helped her family clean the house. They hung up bright lights and put small candles called diyas on the windows. Everything looked shiny and happy. "Mummy," said Anaya, "why do we celebrate Diwali?" Her mum smiled. "Because it reminds us that good wins over bad and light is stronger than darkness." Anaya remembered what she learned at school. "Hindus believe in one God who can be seen in many different ways," she said proudly. "And they try to be kind, peaceful, honest and respectful." That evening, Anaya and her family went to the mandir, the Hindu temple. Before going inside, they took off their shoes and spoke quietly. When they saw friends, they smiled, put their hands together and said Namaste. Inside, people prayed and sang softly. The mandir was full of light and flowers. Afterwards, Anaya went home and helped make a colourful rangoli pattern at the door. Then, boom! Fireworks filled the night sky. "Diwali is my favourite," said Anaya. Her dad smiled. "Diwali teaches us to be kind and to let our light shine every day." And Anaya did just that.